So what are you making today, babe?
We are making a Tex Mex version of cabbage steaks.
Sounds good.
I like cabbage.
It's a 16-inch fan. You're gonna mount it up.
We're in a temperature switch.
You keep wiping the Jeep.
Yeah, you're just sweating on everything. The whole floor over here, I can't step back and
Okay, we didn't have to move the exhaust. We didn't have to jack up. We didn't have to do anything. Look at that. So why you cut a flat part?
So you can set it like this, or else you're going to wind up, I mean, it's a little rolly, you know.
So which way are you supposed to cut it?
Against the grain. And going off of a steak, the grain is going this way, so we're going to cut this way.
Why would you not cut it the other way?
I think it will fall apart. Well, actually, it will fall apart. It'll fall apart. It won't be a steak anymore. It will just be like sauteed cabbage. Good, here we go. And I take the layers off because they're not going to stay anyway, so let's see. Do we want to do that? No, we're going to be doing this. Let's see. These are going to be kind of big, though. These are way bigger than my other ones. Ooh, yeah. You can cut this part out, but honestly, it's really good when it's roasted. Oh, wow, we need to put these on the pan. Yes, we do. Let's see how we can do this. And then we're going to cut off this end. Leave it kind of fat, but it's thinner, so there we go. Let's see what we're going to do here. This is a really big cabbage. I'm going to have to maneuver this stuff around. Yeah.
And the pieces that break off?
Oh my gosh. Well, actually, I'm going to take them off. You save them for later. I'm going to take them off because they're not going to do right when they roast. Well, guys, it looks like I'm doing 4 big steaks. There's no way I can put this on there. We're going to have leftovers. No, I'm only doing this way. There's no way I'm doing that. I mean, look at that. Aren't they pretty? Yeah. These are really pretty. That we're going to take off. That one we're going to take off. We'll take that one off. It's too loose. And that one. You want them to kind of be tight. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Yeah, we're just going to do 4. And sec. What do you do with all the rest? You put it in. I have some soup recipes out there. Those are really yummy. Because these are, when they get cooked up in soup and stuff, they get really, really kind of watery and kind of crunchy, but yet soft.
How about your black eyed peas?
Gives a good flavor. Yeah, my black eyed peas, my lentils. I have 2 of them out there. I'm sorry, I save everything. Can't waste food. Cabbage is 89 cents a pound. This same bad boy was probably like $5. And I got 4 steaks out of it, but the rest of it is just pretty much, it's leftover stuff that you really, it's not a steak. These are called steaks. You can saute these. Okay, I'm giving you guys too many ideas.
Check out
I'll
our
come out with
recipes.
some more stuff. Okay. I was trying not to dirty the counter for you, babe. Two teaspoons.
Why are you wiping on versus just pouring out?
Because these are cabbage, and if I poured it, it would just like literally go right down to the bottom of the pan. So I want them to be saturated on the top. And then they soak down, because we're going to marinate them, by the way. I just want to make sure they all got their... There's going to be a few strands, but that's fine.
How long do you marinate them for?
No less than 20 minutes, but you can probably marinate them for about 30. But I usually do about 20 minutes.
And cabbage steaks and marinating.
Yeah, they're ready to go in. Ooh, yeah. Those are good. So sizzling.
Y'all stay tuned.
Yeah. Our sheet pan. That is a heck of a scrubbing job just to get that thing presentable.
They don't make good sheet pans somewhere. Bella, lay down. Lay down, Bella. It's like having a toddler. Bella, lay down.
You do this in all my projects too.
Like a toddler. At least 4 of them. Because they're holy.